Welcome to demo on Colombo software from PyControl Solutions. Colombo stands for Closed Loop Universal Multivariable Optimizer, the next generation MPC monitoring and improvement software technology. Colombo can improve MPC model accuracy, resulting in improved MPC performance. It is an amazing dream tool for MPC control engineers. Colombo technology is new, novel, and superior to DMC3 Calibrate and other methods from any of the MPC vendors. Commercial MPCs include DMC, RMPCT, Predict Pro, and others. Maintenance of MPC is not easy. All over the world, many control engineers struggle to improve MPC performance. Often model error is the root cause of the problems. But in an MPC, there are many models, so finding the bad model is not easy. Even if you could find the bad models, correcting them is even a bigger challenge. Many control engineers slow down the MPC by increasing the move suppression. This severely limits the benefits from the MPC. Project payback and monetary benefits from the MPC are not realized. Colombo can help to improve any MPC worldwide. DMC, RMPCT, Predict Pro, or any commercial or academic MPC software. Colombo is not vendor specific but can help improve MPC from any vendor. Typical problems with MPCs or APC in general are ugly oscillations because of bad models and bad control. These can be tackled and improved by Colombo. Or the MPC control action is weak. Upon a CV target change, the CV takes too long to reach the target. Or you have persistent prediction error. The blue is the future predicted trajectory by an MPC. As time goes by, the CV is remaining below target, but the blue future prediction shows not to worry, everything is fine. But with more time, the prediction error continues. There is a gap between the prediction and reality. And this problem can be also fixed by Colombo. Colombo can work with any size control matrix. Any number of CVs can be processed by Colombo. Up to a max of 10 MVs for a given CV can be processed simultaneously. Colombo is a MIMO MPC software tool, multiple input, multiple output software. These are the steps how Colombo works. Step 1. Feed Colombo oscillatory or poor control data from an MPC in an Excel file. Colombo converts current MPC models from step response coefficients to transfer function format. User fixes any and all known parameters in the dynamic models. Colombo Optimizer identifies new and improved models based on error minimization. Colombo converts models from transfer function format back to step response format. The user then updates the dynamic models inside the MPC, and that is all the complete procedure for Colombo. This is a 3 MV DMC improvement illustration using Colombo. Red trend is the MPC CV. Blue trend is the Colombo model. There are three MVs, MV1, MV2, MV3. Colombo calculates all three MPC models between all the MVs to the CV. Notice there are no step tests. This is closed loop data with a DMC running. With Colombo, you can say goodbye to step tests. Step tests annoy operators. Sensitive processes make step tests difficult. Even latest technology from other vendors requires step tests. But Colombo unique optimizer technology does not need step tests. Send us your data in Excel file for free analysis and report. Column A, B, and C are required. Columns D to L are optional. If you have only one model, one MV, you need column ABC. If you have three inputs, you will need columns ABC, DE for the three MVs. And if you have five MVs, you will need columns C, D, E, F, and G. Contact PyControl today. Colombo works with Excel data. No need to connect to DCS or PLC. No cybersecurity issues. No new computer needed. Easy installation, easy to use. All calculations are in the time domain. Improve MPC models, increase plant profits, and achieve MPC payback and expected savings. Contact PyControl today. info@picontrolsolutions.com. Thank you for viewing this Colombo demo.